Hello my dear students, welcome once again to E-Class of Maths with your Sarika Sharma ma'am. Hope you are doing well. Dear students, today I am going to teach you rounding of decimal fractions. That is exercise 11B. Rounding of decimals, exercise 11B. Dear students, already you have learnt in exercise 11A how you round off whole numbers. Okay, so how you round off the whole numbers you have already learnt in exercise 11A. Children, there is no any change to round off as decimal fractions also. Decimals fraction also can be round in same way as whole numbers. So we will follow the same steps as we were doing in 11th A exercise. And what were the steps? If the digit on the right of the rounding place is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Else, do not change the digit at the rounding place. Children, it means find the value, the number you want. Means which number you want, that is rounding digit, and then look at the digit just to the right of it. Find the value you want, rounding digit, and then look at the digit just to the right of it. If it is equal to 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Else, do not change the digit at the rounding place. Next, drop all digits to the right of the rounding place. And if the digit is less than 5, do not change the rounding digit but drop all the digit to the right of it. So there were the steps same you followed in the exercise 11A. What did you learn? Find the value of the want rounding digit and then look at the digit just to the right of it. If it is equal to 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. If the digit is less than 5, do not change the rounding digit but drop all digit to the right of it. Let's have a look of the exercise 11B. Children, just see carefully. Round off to the nearest one. Once again, round off to the nearest one. 1.6. Children, round off the nearest one. 1 is digit rounding place is what, right? And I told you that you have to see just the right side digit. And what is the right side digit? It is 6. And it is more than 5. So automatically you will add 1 to the 1 digit and it will be, and rest of the digit you will drop. So 1 plus 1, 2. So round off number is 2. Once again children, मैंने आपको बताया था 1.6 आपको क्या digit आपको round off करनी है, that is nearest to the 1, and that nearest to the 1 की जो just right digit, right side digit क्या है 6, and it is more than 5. So what you will do, as I told you in the rule also, you will add to the 1 to the rounding of digit. आपको rounding of digit कौन सी करनी थी? 1. और ये बराबर वाली जो digit है right side की, it is more than 5. So you will add 1 to the rounding of digit. 1 plus 1, 2. And you will just drop all the right side digits then. So the rounding of number is 2. 0.72. Second example, 0.72. Again children, nearest one, what is the rounding of digit? It is 0, right? And just see the right side digit. It is 7. Again it is more than 5. So what you will do? You will add 1 that 1 to that digit which you have to rounding off, and you have to rounding off the 0 digit. So 0 plus 1, 1, and I told you, you will drop all the rest of the digits. You clear, children? Once again I will tell you. Round off to the nearest one. 1.6. You have to do the digit rounding off. Digit is 1. So just see the, what you will do, just see the digit just to the right, है ना? यही बताया था ना. If it is more than 5 or equal to 5, just add 1 to the rounding off digit and drop all the digits. So 1 plus 1, 2. 0.72. The digit which you have to rounding off, it is 0 because it is the 1 place. Just see the right side digit. It is 7. It is again more than 5. So what you will do? You will add 1 to the 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 0.72 is rounding off 1 and 1.6 is rounding off 2. I hope you understood, children. Question number 2. Round off to one place of decimal. It means round off to nearest tenth. Nearest tenth, my dear student. Children, I told you when I was teaching you decimals that before decimal we have whole parts, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. But after decimal we have tenths, hundreds and thousand. And round off to one place to decimal means round off to the nearest tenth. One place to the decimal means one, that is round off to the nearest tenth. अब tenth की क्या digit है बेटा यहाँ पर? 0. 0 मतलब 0.0 का मतलब 0.10. So what you will do? Just see the right side digit. It is 6. Again, children, it is more than 5. So you will add, and which digit you want to rounding off? It is 0. So जब ये 6 5 से बड़ा है तो आप क्या करेंगे? The number which you have to rounding off, you will add one number to it. I told you in the rules also. So 0 plus 1, 1. We will not change this 2 because we are not touching it. So 2 point, but rest of the digit after rounding off the concerned digit, we will just drop all the digit of right side. So 0 plus 1, 1. So the answer is 2.1, right? Next, 250.951. Again, 250 is a whole number. 250. 200, 5, 10, 0, 1s. There is no value. There is no concern of now. We don't have any concern of this 250. It will remain same. But because we have to round off to the nearest tenth. The tenth digit is 9, right? 9 upon 10, it is tenth. So what you will do? Just look at the right side number, right side digit. It is 5, equal to 5. So what will be there, beta? Yes, you will add this 1 to 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Automatically, what will happen? जब ये 9 plus 1 10 हो जाएगा तो यहाँ 250 की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? It will come to 251 and rest of the digit will become 0. Once again, 250.951, we have to round off to the nearest tenth. It means we have to rounding off to the digit 9. Just look at the right side digit. Just right side digit, okay? Just to the right of it. आपको ये नहीं है कि ये भी राइट है ये भी राइट, जस्ट टू द राइट ऑफ इट, बिल्कुल बराबर वाले डिजिट. अगर आपको टेंथ्स करना है तो हंड्रेड्स देखेंगे, हंड्रेड्स करना है तो थाउजेंड्स देखेंगे. सो वी हैव टू डू हेयर tenth. So we will see the hundredths. It is 5. So we will add one number because it is equal to 5. So we will add one number to 9. 9 plus 1, 10. The carry will go to the 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So the whole number will become 251.000. Okay. Once again, round off to the one place of decimal. Round off to nearest tenth. So 2.06. We have to rounding off 0 here. Just see. Just to the right of it digit, just see that digit which is just near to it, tenth के बराबर में जो hundreds है, it is more than 5. We will add 0 in tenths digit, so it will become 2.1. 250.951. We have two rounding of this 9 children because it is on 10th place. It is, just see the digit near to it, it is 5, my student. 5 is equal to 5, so we will add 1 to 9. It will become 9 plus 1, 10. Carry will go to 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 250. It will become 251.000. Question 3. Round off to the second decimal place. And what do you mean by second decimal place? It is the second decimal place is 100th. The second decimal place is 100th. So 3 point. So now you have to just rounding off to the 100th place. तो आप कौन सा देखेंगे बच्चे? We will see to the thousands place. 3.254. 3.254 children. Here 3 is a whole number, point came decimal, 2 is 10th place and 5 is of 100th place. So just look at the right place, it is 1000. अगर आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया, अगर आपको 100th करना है तो you will see the 1000 place number and it is 4. So what do you mean by 4? 4 is less to 5. So we will not change this 5 and automatically we will drop all the digit of right side. So answer will be 3.25. Rounding off is 3.25. Once again children, 3.254. We have to do it nearest 100th place. तो हम कौन सी digit देखेंगे? We will see just right, that is 1000 place. It is less than 5. So we will not change anything. I told you if the digit is less than, do not change the rounding digit but drop all the digit to the right side. There is आपको 5 करना है change, ये rounding off करनी है, but as the 1000 digit is less than 4, so we will not change the digit and we will drop all the digit of right side. So the rounding number is 3.25. Let's have another example. 0.9048. Again, rounding off to the nearest 100. 9 upon 10, 0 upon 100. So what is the next digit 1000 place? It is 4. Again, my dear student, 4 is less than 5. So what will happen? We will not change the rounding of digit and the next thing we will drop all the next digits. So the rounding of number will be 0.90 because we will drop this 4 and 8. Once again, 3.254. We have to round off to the nearest 100th. 3.254. The digit which we want to round off, it is 5. Just see the right side digit, that is thousandths place. It is less than 5. So we will not change the rounding off number and the second step we will drop all the rest digit. So the rounding off number will be 3.25. Next 0.9048. Again my dear students, we want to do the round of 0 and just see the, because 0 upon 100, 9 is on 10th place, 0 is on 100th place, so just look at the thousands place. It is 4. Again it is less than 5, so there is no change in the hundreds place my dear student. जब हम hundreds place में कुछ change नहीं करेंगे and I told you we will drop all the digit. Drop means we will just leave. So the answer will be 0.90. Children, you understood? Next question. Round off to the third place. Children, first place was? Yes, first place was 10th after the decimal, right? Before decimal we have whole numbers, no problem at all. But after decimal we have first number 10th, then hundreds, then 1000. So now what you have to do? Round off to the third place, round off to the nearest 1000. अब हम कहाँ देखेंगे? 10,000 वाली place. 0.1578. 1 is tenth, 5 is 100, 7 is 1000. Just see to the 10,000s place, just near to the right side. It is 8. My dear student, क्या रूल था? अगर ये 5 से ज़्यादा है तो what we will do? जो राउंडिंग ऑफ नंबर है उसमें हम क्या प्लस कर देंगे? 1. So 8 is more than 5. Add 1 to the rounding of place, that is 7 plus 1, 8, and rest of the digits become 0 or you can drop. So the answer will be 0.158. 0.158. Why? Because we have to round off to the nearest thousandth. Thousand place is 7. We will see just right number, that is 8. What we will do? 8 is more than 5. So the number we will add in 1 to the rounding of number. उस नंबर में हम 1 ऐड करेंगे जो हमें राउंड ऑफ करना था, that is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Rest of the digits will become 0 or we will drop these digits. So answer will be 0.158. Another example, my dear students, 18.4357. 18.4357. The round, which number you have to round off? It is 4 upon 10, no. 3 upon 100, no. 5 upon 1000, yes. So we have to round off the 5. So just see the digit just near to the 5, right side digit, that is 10,000ths. It is 7. Again 7 is more than 5. So we will add 1 to the rounding of digit. So 5 is the digit which we have to round off. So add 1 to the 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And rest of the digit we will drop. So the answer will be 18.436. Once again, 0.1578. We have to round off to the nearest thousand. What we will do? 0.1578. 7 is the hundredths place, thousandths place. Just see the number which is right side of 7. It is 8. It is more than 5. So add 1 to the rounding of digit. 7 plus 1, 8. Drop all the rest digits. So answer will be 0.158. Next, 18.4357. 18.4357. The digit which we have to round off, it is 5. What we will do? Just see the right side digit of 5, that is 10,000ths place. It is 7. Again 7 is more than 5. So we will add 1 to the rounding of digit, that is 5 plus 1, 6, and drop all the rest digit. So the answer will be 18.436. These were the examples of rounding of the decimals fractions. First you have done nearest 1, nearest tenth, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand. I hope you understood these examples, children. Now, what is the next? The next is how to do the decimal quotient. Now you have to find, children, quotient. You have to round off the quotients, like write the quotient round off to the first decimal place, write the quotient round off to the second place of decimal, write the quotient correct to the 3 places of decimal. And what is the step and what is the rule? Find the quotient up to 1 more place of decimal than the rounding place. क्या है? फिर से पढ़िए बेटा. Find the quotient up to 1 more place of decimal than the rounding place. यानी कि जिस नंबर को, इट मीन्स चिल्ड्रन, जिस नंबर को आप, जितने नंबर तक आपको राउंडिंग प्लेस फाइंड करना है, यू हैव टू फाइंड 1 मोर प्लेस. ओके, सपोज आपको टेंथ्स करना है, 1 प्लेस डेसिमल की करना है, तो यू विल फाइंड 2 प्लेसेस डेसिमल्स. इफ यू वांट टू डू द सेकेंड प्लेस, यू विल फाइंड 1 मोर, दैट इज ऑफ 3rd प्लेस. इफ यू वांट टू डू 3 प्लेसेस, यू विल फाइंड 1 मोर प्लेस, लाइक दैट. And then afterwards you round off the quotient. Once again, Steps for rounding of decimal quotients. Find the quotient up to one more place of the decimal than the rounding place. Round off the quotient. Let's have a look of examples. Children, first, write the quotient rounding off to the first decimal places. And I have already taught you in the decimals how we are dividing the decimal number with the whole number. We have learned this in the decimals exercise, how you are dividing. So here 11 divide by 8. 11 1 ja, 8 1 ja 8. 11 minus 8, my dear student, 3. Then you will put the decimal and add 1 0. Now 8 3 ja 24. Right? Again you can add so many zeros as I told you. And how many places number you have to find? Up to the first decimal places. So you will find up to 1 की जगह कितने places quotient कर निकालेंगे अब आप? 2 places. And then you will round off. Okay? Round. So let's have हम लोग गए थे 11 divide by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 11 minus 8 3. Then put the decimal and add 1 0. 8 3 ja 24. 10 minus 4 6. Now again you can add so many zeros. And I told you generally अगर आप देखें तो आपको 1 place decimal मिल गया 1.3, but you have to round it off to the first decimal place. And I told you that you will find it one more decimal place with the rounded off number. So 8 7 ja 56. 10 minus 6 4. You can find it, but it is more than enough. So 1.37 here. Now you rounded up this quotient. 1.37 आपको 1 place तक करना है, that is 10th, तो आप 100ths तक निकालेंगे. Now you see, as I told you the before that, just see the second place, it is more than 5. What you will do? You will add 1 to the 3. So the answer will be 1.4. Once again, children, what was the question? Write the quotient rounded off the first decimal places. First decimal place का मतलब है tenths. So you will find the quotient up to 100ths place. Already we have learned how to divide decimal number with a whole number. So here 11 divide by 8, right? 8 1 ja 8. 11 minus 8 3.0. 8 3 ja 24. 10 minus 4 6. You can add so many 0. Then again 60. 8 3 ja 20, 10 minus 4 6. 8 7 ja 56. 10 minus 6 4. You can find it more than, but no need to find it because we have to find only rounded off to the first decimal place. Now we got the quotient 1.37. As we have to round it off it. Just 3 is the 10th place. So just see the right side place. It is more than 5. So we will add 1 number to 3 and it will become 1.4. Answer is 1.4. Next. Next, children. Now children, next question. Write the quotient rounded off to the second place of decimal. Write the quotient rounded off to the second place of decimal. So you will find the quotient up to 3 place after the decimal because you have to round off the second place. So you will find one more place. Okay. So 15 divide by 7 question. Already you know how to divide the whole number. 15, 7 2 ja 14. 5 minus 4 1. Just put the decimal and add 1 0. You can add so many zeros, you know that. 10, 7 1 ja 7. 10 minus 7 3. Then again you will add 1 0. 7 4 ja 28. 10 minus 8 2. Children, if I say the 2.14, you have to find the second place, that is up to 4, but you will find one more place quotient as I told you in the rule. So 7 2 ja 14. 10 minus 4, it is 6. So what is the question? 2.142. And what is the question? Write the quotient, round off to the second place. Write the quotient, round off to the second place. So you will find the quotient up to 3 place of the decimal. So 2 is a whole number, 0.142. And now quotient is 2.142. Second place is 4. It means you will see this right side number, it is 2. It is less than 5. So what you will do? You will not change any number of the rounding off number, and rest of the digit you will drop. So answer will be 2.14. Children, I told you in the rule also, if I go back, so what was the rule? That you will find one more place of the decimal quotient, right? So the question is 15 divided by 7. 7 2 ja 14. If I just zoom it, 7 2 ja 14. 5 minus 4 1. Point, add 1 0. 7 1 ja 7. 10 minus 7 3. 0 add. 7 4 ja 28. 10 minus 8 2. 0 add. 7 2 ja 14. 10 minus 4 6. You find 3 digits. And what I told you when I just told you the rule, find the quotient up to one more place of the decimal than the rounding place. So you have to round the second place, that is 4 after decimal second place. So 2.14, you know that 2 is less than 5. So what you will do? Of course, you will not write anything. You will just not do anything in the rounding number, and rest of the digit you will drop. So answer will be 2.14. Next. Write the quotient correct to 3 places of decimal. We are not talking about the whole number. We are talking, write the quotient correct to the 3 places of the decimal. So you will find the quotient of the 4 places of decimal, then you will round off the number. So the question is 2.153 divided by 9. 2.153 divided by 9, dear students. 2 is smaller than 9. So what you will do? You will put the 0 and point. 9 2 ja 18. 11 minus 8 3. Take this 5. 9 3 ja 27. 15 minus 7 8. Take this 3. 9 9 ja 81. 3 minus 1 2. Children, अगर हम देखें तो we got 3 places, but I told you one more place you will find in the quotient. So 9 2 ja 18, 10 minus 8 2. Now you got the quotient 0.2392, and the question, write the quotient correct to the 3 place of the decimal. First place is 2, second place is 3, third place is 9. So we have to round off the 9 and just see the next number, right side number, that is 10,000 number. It is 2. It is less than 5. So what you will do? You will not change any in the rounding off number, and rest of the digits you will drop. So round off it. The answer will be 0.239. Once again, write the quotient correct to the 3 places of decimal. So we will find the 4 places of decimals, because we have to round off the third place, 3 place. So 2.153 divided by 9. 0. 9 2 ja 18. 11 minus 8 3. Take this 5 here. 9 3 ja 27. 15 minus 7 8. Take this 3. 9 9 ja 81. 3 minus 1 2. 0 we will add, and then 9 2 ja 18. Now we got 4 places after the decimal. 2 is 10, 3 is hundreds, 9 is 1000 and 2 is 10,000, and we have to round off to the beta 3 place. So third place is 9. We will round off to the 9, and what we will do, as previously I told you, we will just look at right side of the digit, just right side. It means thousands near 10,000. If it is less than 5, you will not change anything in the rounding of number. So 2 is less than 5, so we will not change any number, and rest of the digits we will drop. So 9 we will not change anything, and after the rounding number we will drop all these digits. So 2 we will not write. Quotient is 0.2392 and rounding off number is 0.239. Right, children? I hope you understood these all things, children. For just better understanding, you do these sums at least 2 times in your copy. I will send you the PDF also in your portal, or in MS Team you can go through that. But even that, watch the video at least 2 times and do these sums also 2 times. Okay? Now come to the assignment, my dear students. Round off to the nearest one, 39.6. Question 2. Round off to the one place of decimal. It means 36.88. One place of decimal, yani it means you will round off to the 8. Next, round off to the second decimal place, 101.097. Question 4. Round off to the third decimal place, 123.0048. Write the quotient. Round off to the first decimal place, 17.198 divided by 7. Next, write the quotient rounded off to the second place of the decimal, 5.37 divided by 11. Question 7. Write the quotient correct to the 3 place of decimal, 23 divided by 16. Children, you can do all these sums in your copy. I will send you the answers of these questions after 4 or 5 days when I have finished this exercise in online class. Afterwards I will send you the answers also. But before that, you can do all these sums in your copy. Classwork, whatever I have taught you in the video, you can write these solved sums in the classwork as a classwork, or homework you can write all the questions. I hope you understood this chapter, children. Please revise it. Watch the video at least 2 or 3 times. Do the sums also 2 times so you can understand it very nicely. So with that, children, I wrap up this session. Thank you very much, children. Thank you very much.